Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. And you guys, I went to my post office box. I have not been there since probably mid-February. And holy smokes, I just want to say thank you so much to you beauties. And let me show you the two packages that I got today. And look at this shirt. How cute is that? It says feel the burn. Is that so cute? Oh, thank you so much, Carol, for getting this for me. I appreciate it and I love it so much. And I love the Raglan baseball shirt, so this is perfect. Thank you so much. The other person that I want to thank, oh my gosh, is Kitty. Oh, you beauties do me like, look at this humongous 14 by 14 by 12 box of stuff, and we're going to unbox that. So let me go ahead and open this up. And we're going to see what all's in here. So super sweet. And this was from, again, Kitty, who is from, oh, hit my tripod. Did I lower it? I don't know. Let's see. Trying to get everything opened here. All right. Oh, read first. So I hope it doesn't say don't show what's in here. We're going to read this first here. Oh. Oh, look. It was from the February 12th. And so it says Happy Valentine's Day. And then here is a nice little letter. And I am not going to read this out loud. So I am going to go ahead because it is 4 pages long. I'm going to go ahead and pause this and read this. And then I will let you know more. Okay, so I went ahead and read that letter. And it was super sweet. And it was 4 pages long. And literally there were hugs and tears and laughter throughout. And it's so funny because she even mentioned how I burned my fingers. So I laughed out loud when reading that. So many of you guys watch me burn my fingers so often. So, oh, you guys, I just love you. And thank you so much for everything. So Kitty is actually, I'm not going to say her age, but she has been with me, subscribed for over 2 years now. And that is so cool because she had her birthday and apparently my card arrived right around her birthday. So that was really cool. So I do randomly send cards to you guys and I appreciate it. That's why I always say, send me your address, send me your information, go on to beautyandthestamper.com and go to my email and subscribe. You guys, there's so much that I like to not just be here on YouTube, but to be able to converse with you. And I've been friends with some of you. I've gone through some of your passings when, you know, when beauties pass away, and it breaks my heart. And I'll tell you what, I still keep that stuff around, and I still remember each and every one of you. I'm actually pulling out this thing that I keep this close, and it was a stamp that was made by me, or not by me, made for me by one of you beauties who did pass away, and her name was Sandra. And you guys, that's been over a year now that she passed away. So actually it was last summer, so almost a year. And I just want to let you know that you are not just an everyday subscriber to me. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I thank you so much for being a subscriber and watching my channel, because I know there are so many other channels that you can be watching. Okay, that is my, oh, I'm so overwhelmed and just filled with joy. And I just love each and every one of you. So let me go ahead. And Sandra sent me some cool stuff. So let's go ahead and open it. She said she sent some napkins for my little get-togethers, because I do have get-togethers. And look how cute these are. Is that super cute napkins? And then this one There we go. Little napkins there. And then, I don't know if there's any other ones, but she left this one napkin that was in there. And that is so cool because I'm going to do something with that. So that is Frida Kahlo. And, you know, I never was really into her. I don't know much about her, but the more I see how everybody else is into her, it intrigues me. So for some reason this keeps falling, so I'm just gonna probably throughout the time set it up here. Hold on, sorry. Maybe this will help. Ignore my mess. I've got a messy craft room. I've been doing all kinds of crafts here. So let's go ahead. She sent this box, and I'm thinking already just with that napkin in this box, we can make this into a really pretty box. She also sent this box here, little gold box, and it has different goodies in there. There's some little organza bags, like little wedding bags. Look at all this stuff that's in here. All of these pens and glitters. And I recognize this. This came from a paper pumpkin. There's some little flowers. You guys, we are going to be set to do some DIYs this week. What else do we have? Oh, there's more flowers in here. And I'm sorry if I keep falling. But she was a paper pumpkin subscriber. And I know this because there are a bunch of paper pumpkin stuff in here. That is so cool. Look at all of this is paper pumpkin. I recognize it all. So unfortunately, she had to give up some crafting because she is a little bit older and is having a hard time crafting. So I totally get that. And so she wanted this stuff to go to a good home that she knows is going to be crafting. So very cool. Hey, I don't think I've seen this one. Maybe. Look at that. I'm just assuming that that's paper pumpkin because it looks like it's paper pumpkin. Oh, yes. I do recognize that. So much paper pumpkin stuff in here. You guys probably recognize it as well. We've got some thank yous. I'm just like all of this stuff. That's so cool. And some dimensionals, if I haven't mentioned that. We've got some more pretty napkins there. Another pretty napkin here. Let's see. We got those little flowers. I've actually been wanting some of these flowers like this. And this is perfect because I didn't need a lot more than this. Is I want to be trying to do, I know I'm falling. I wanted to try and do with like hot glue, like those little, I apologize. Okay, hopefully that's better. By the time it falls, maybe I'll be done. Oh, there's tons of stuff in here. We've got some really pretty paper. And this has been sitting and waiting for me, guys, since February. I think I told you that, but look at these papers. How pretty are those? I am going to totally be using that. All of those papers go so well together. What is this? What do we got here? This is like, I don't know what it is. It's like really thin paper here. We'll figure it out. It's not tissue paper thin, but it is thin paper. So maybe for Mod Podging, all kinds of beautiful gems in here. Look at all those gems. Ooh, look at that. How pretty are these napkins? Ooh, that reminds me of another one of you beauties. I know there's a lot of you who like that artisan France type stuff. Look at the gemstones. They're nice little pearls there. Man, I got a whole, this is like Christmas. Some nice big gems there. We've got some floral foam. A couple pieces of floral foam there. Oh, look at how pretty. Does this match exactly? It matches exactly with that piece of paper too. Alright, what else do we have in here? There's still tons of stuff in here. Color Scenes Rub On Art with these beautiful butterflies there. They're the same. I love that you guys craft. And then this is Self Stick Foam. So it's foam, and then on the back is sticky like a sticker. So that's really cool. And then finally, which I'm needing to be very careful because I'm hearing that it's glass and it's all bubble wrapped. So I'm going to open it. Ooh, they are little jars. And these ones are actually spice jars. So we will be able to make stuff out of these for sure. I am already thinking along what lines I can do to use these. Wouldn't those make cute little legs for something? So it's a ton of, like, a whole bag of those jars. And it smells good too. So, oh my goodness. Kitty, these definitely went to a good house. And I just want to thank you guys again. Kitty and Carol, thank you for everything, for just sending me the love. I appreciate it. And yes, this is, it's like a giant hug. And I just can't. Thank you guys so much. All right, take care, and I will see you. Please make sure we get thumbs ups for this, because that is super sweet of both of them to be thinking of me and to be true beauties. I appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.